Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Study Hub. Green Supply Chain Management. Green supply chain management is the process of completing the process of supply chain with effective and efficient source. This includes the supply of products and services with zero wastage that ultimately maximize supply usage to the end consumer. Green supply chain management is an updated concept of supply chain that delivers the product and services to the consumer through most productive sources. It is a modern day integrated process of delivering the material supplies and the manufacturing product and services. Empirical review. Green supply chain management is a modern day concept of supply chain. It delivers the product and services without using carbon. Campbell and Davade 2016 has reported that the environment could be made clean and better if we reduce the use of carbon and the respective carbon developed products. It is significant that the business today takes the responsibility of developing a carbon-free economy. They should switch their supply methods in which there is no or minimal use of carbon dioxide, since carbon and the carbon-related products affect the environment and they ultimately raise the level of environmental pollution. It is important that the industries use a positive and smooth method of purchasing and supplies in the organization. It is significant for the industries to maintain the scope of green supply chain management. The availability of supplies is the business through environmental friendly aspect is very important. The use of carbon and the carbon related products like smoke, fuel and other related co-products are today damaging the environment. Hence, it is emphasized that the concept of green supplies and environmental friendly industries that purchases that deliver most positive outcomes. Recommendations. In essence, the green supply chain management and its factor is mainly depicting the keen and interesting area of research and also the new avenues of the researchers. However, the external pressure is greater that is existing from the previous research area. Lot of greatest pressure that is external occur is coming from stakeholders and also from the environmental practices that is alluded in occurrence in the environmental aspect, both internal and external. Therefore, firm can attain environmental aspect and that is in reward of the multiple stakeholders that is ultimately prone to negative impact on image, performance and reputation. Conclusion. In today's world, environmental sustainability is a life-threatening. Environment has been worst. Previously has been disused. However, the tendency of environmental friendly business evolved during last period. Researchers are trying to classify the GSCM practices and its positive outcome association. As with any research study, contain the limitation that makes these limitations also provide the opportunities and direction for future directional research. Longitudinal data might specify environmental, economic, and performance conclusion changes in regard to certain variables that are in causal relationship. In the same way, each country of the world has its own socio-economic culture and trendy economic policies.